Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign out of Apple ID on your iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Open settings. Tap on settings. Step 3. Tap your name. At the very top of the settings, tap your name. This opens your Apple ID settings linked to Apple. Step 4. Scroll down. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. Step 5. Tap Sign Out. Then tap Sign Out. Step 6. Enter your Apple ID password. Enter your Apple ID password to turn off Find My Device. Then tap Turn Off. Step 7. Choose data to keep. You may ask if you want to keep a copy of data like contacts, Safari or keychain on your iPhone. Select what you want to keep, then tap Sign Out. Step 8. Confirm Sign Out. Tap Sign Out again to confirm. Step 9. Wait for Sign Out to complete. Your iPhone will take a few seconds to sign out of the Apple ID. Step 10. You are sign out. Once finished, you will return to settings screen showing sign in to your iPhone. That means your Apple ID is successfully signed out, and that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.